You know, there's been a lot of delays over this case that's almost 2 years old, but this is one it's safe to say most people here did not expect. The entire federal court complex here in Greenbelt was shut down for 2.5 hours this morning as federal law enforcement K-9 units, a bomb squad, moved in to respond to what turned out to be a false alarm. But by the time the all clear was given and the jury selection resumed, it was noon, and the judge started by talking about what had just happened. Ms. Mosby, how do you feel about the panel seated so far? The jury selection process in this high-profile case delayed for half a day in Greenbelt Wednesday after a security scare shut down the federal court complex for 2.5 hours as K-9 units and the bomb squad moved in. Turned out to be a false alarm, and when jury selection resumed at noon, the judge began by addressing what happened. The security situation at the U.S. courthouse has been resolved, she told the jury pool. The courthouse has reopened, and I want to make it clear that there is no connection whatsoever with regards to this case. In this case, the government claims Marilyn Mosby lied about COVID-19 financial hardship to illegally withdraw $90,000 from a city retirement account. Federal prosecutors plan to introduce evidence to show Mosby's salary increased during the period in question. Mosby's defense: the withdrawal was legit. It only pertained to her private travel business, and she will tell that to the jury under oath. But in order to seat an impartial panel of 12 plus 4 alternates, follow-up questions today were asked of individual would-be jurors, including, do you believe the judicial system in general is unfair? Do you have any opinion of Ms. Mosby? And would you be able to follow the court's instructions to avoid coverage of the trial online, in the media, or elsewhere? Some of the reasons potential jurors were excused today for striking and excusing potential jurors included one for medical and emotional issues. And then there was another one who said they were a follower, that they would just follow what the group decided, and they said they would be unable to make independent decisions. The jury pool was just released for the day, and now discussions continue between the judge and attorneys on both sides about jury instructions, and we hope to learn more about the schedule. All we know for sure is that jury selection will continue here tomorrow morning for a third day. Reporting live from Greenbelt, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.